Hey, what's going on YouTube? EXO coming at you here with a quick little project inside the Toyota Corolla. We are gonna make this trunk a heck of a lot stronger. You ever deal with that problem when you have these flimsy plastic little trunk liners? You take a big hefty battery like this one right here, and the second you put it in your trunk, it's like Bow City, blunt, and it looks ridiculous. There's no strength to it. I mean, look at this. So you put it in, and the whole plastic piece that is the trunk liner just collapses in. You get this little gap right here, and it's just not good. So in today's video, we're gonna eliminate this little sag right here, strengthen up the rear with some 3/4 inch plywood, and do some carpeting with our spare bin, see if we have any extras from Frankenstein, and make this trunk way stronger. Getting a closer look at this thing, you can see she was failing miserably. Got some nice punctures on the backside just from the weight of our stuff pushing against the car jack right underneath it. So now we'll use this whole piece as a template and trace out the cuts for our jigsaw. No! Oh, good thing we got rubber everywhere. So as you can probably tell, the way it's cut right now, there's no way this piece of wood is fitting in the trunk. So that's why we need to mimic the plastic piece one more time with these folds on each side. That way we can actually fit it into the opening of the trunk, and we'll add some hinges after that to make sure she stays nice and secure. Time to cover up the plywood with some carpet, and as usual, we're recycling super old stuff. This carpet has been around for over 8 years and used so many times, including our big Frankenstein build with 6/18s. So even if she does get some harsh comments about the stains or color matching, I'm still 100% happy, and it has some good memories attached as a bonus. Nice and covered up, looking not so bad. Well, besides a couple stains here and there, but it's fitting just about perfect inside the trunk, and that's all that matters to me. We'll line up the edge pieces on both sides now and make sure we double check that everything fits before adding those blacked out hinges. All right, there she is, everybody. A full layer of 3/4 inch plywood layered on the bottom of the trunk. And it is so much stronger. Let's go ahead and take the battery that we had in the beginning of this video, put it right up in there and show you guys. Look at that. She is not moving at all. Even when you give her a good smash in, there is no flex on this panel. So that's definitely a job well done. Utilized tons of recycled stuff. I paid $0 for this. Had the wood, had the carpet, had the hinges. So, you know, free is for me. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little something with the Toyota before we get the new subwoofer box in here. Not new, but we're gonna carpet it up, get the system back in here, but we're doing everything in order and no more saggy trunk, guys. Nice and strong back here, ready for the car audio install. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. This is EXO, signing out.